Welcome viewers, welcome to ITV Gold. My name is AJ Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA at Sai CPA Services.
Hello everyone, I'm Neena Rana. I'm a senior tax accountant at Sai CPA Services. Many people have this question, should we file the taxes early or should we wait till 15th of April or should we file an extension? So let's talk with Mr. Kumar.
Absolutely, Nina. We get this question a lot. What is the right time to file the extension? Should we file the extension or should we not file the extension? So let's take a huge step back. See, in any tax situation, there are only two possible outcomes. Either you owe money or you're getting a refund. Now, if you are getting a refund, all the more reasons for you to file it sooner. Why do you want to delay the refund if you are getting the refund? Now, the second possibility is you have to pay, you owe some taxes. If you owe the taxes, you can choose to file sooner and not pay the taxes sooner. Filing the taxes and making the tax payments are two different things, Nina. So when you file an extension, the extension is only for filing the taxes. Let's say if you owe money to IRS or the state, you are still expected to pay the money before the deadline even when you are filing the extension. So if you file the extension from April 15th, typically it becomes October 15th. For this year, under the COVID-19 situation, IRS has extended the deadline from April 15th to May 17th for the individual taxpayers. But that means the filing deadline has been extended, not the tax payment deadline. If you file an extension, let's say on May 17th, to file your taxes before October 15th, you are still required to pay the taxes if you think you will owe the taxes before May 17th. So there is no reason for you not to consider filing it sooner. If you owe taxes, you can still pay it later. File it now, pay the taxes later. If you have a refund, get it now, get it sooner.
One more question I have is is there more chances of audit if I file my tax extension?
Well, yes and no. You have to take a step back. Statistically speaking, people who file the extension get more audits than the people who do not file the extension. But go one step further. Take an example here. A simple tax return typically do not file an extension. People who are filing the extension are the people who have typically more complex tax return. They are waiting for their K1s, they are waiting for the foreign income. So typically more complex tax returns are filing the extension anyway. So the audit rate could be more related to the complexity of the tax return as opposed to filing the extension. But statistically speaking, people with extension or more complex return have more audit chances than a typical tax return.
So how about the stimulus payment? Like if we file our taxes early, is there any chances that we get early payments?
That's a great question. Absolutely. Especially this year, Nina. All the more reasons for you to file your taxes sooner. See, under the COVID-19 relief programs, a lot of people are getting stimulus 1 payment. If you remember, that was $1,200 per person. The stimulus 2 payment, that was $600 per person. If you did not get your money, or if you did not get the full amount, while you are filing the taxes, you can claim the stimulus payments along with the tax filing. So all the more reasons for you to consider your filing sooner if you did not get the stimulus payment. If you're expecting the stimulus payment to be received, file it now, file it sooner.
So Mr. Kumar, how about the identity theft? Many people are facing this situation nowadays.
I'm glad you asked. A lot of identity theft, a lot of social security numbers are stolen during this time of the year, during the tax season. All the more reasons for you to consider filing your taxes sooner. See, what happens as a part of the identity theft, people will file bogus pseudo returns on your behalf. They will claim a lot of deductions, they will claim a lot of dependents to get more refunds. So somebody else is filing the taxes under your social security number to get refund from your social security number in their bank account. How do you prevent it? You file it sooner. only one social security number can file one tax return. So if you have already filed your tax return early enough, even if somebody has stolen your social security number, they cannot file the taxes for you. So it will discourage the identity theft from your social security number.
So, Mr. Kumar, the real estate market is quite hot nowadays. So, there is additional a proof of income that we can show by filing the taxes early.
You are 100% right. This is how it is. If you don't have the tax return filed, if you are filing an extension, the bank has to use 2019 taxes and your W-2 for 2020, and it's not real proof of income. If you have filed your 2020 taxes, especially if you have more income to show in 2020, you must file your taxes sooner before you go for the real estate financing to show higher credibility for you. So if you have a real estate transaction, file it sooner. If you're worried about the identity theft protection, file it sooner. If you owe a refund, file it sooner. If you owe taxes, still file it sooner and pay it later. You have no reason to be delaying the tax filing, even if you dread about filing the taxes. As the proverb goes, eat the frog in the morning. Just be done with it. So it's not on your mind. So you don't have to keep worrying about it, keep thinking about it. In this episode, we wanted to bring to you some reasons why you should consider filing your taxes sooner. For more information, please stay tuned. Again, my name is Ajay Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA at Sai CPA Services.